As you may or may not have heard if you've been watching this channel for a while, we acquired a business called Botfuse, which is a chatbot company, and it's a smarter way to generate sales leads. Basically, it's a chatbot that lives on your website and helps you collect information from your customers and guides them through the buying process so that they buy without you ever having to talk to them. We're still a new company. We are a newborn baby, and one of the things we hadn't done to this point was install Botfuse on our own website. So right now, if you go to botfuse.com, you'll see that we have the landing page set up, and we also have this little pink button, which is our Botfuse bot. Andre, who is our co-founder here with me and Robert and Andre all run Botfuse together, wrote this bot for the site. And you can see this bot's decent, but what I want to do today is look at one of our competitors, Continually, who is also a chatbot site, and look at what they're doing correctly with their bot and see if there's anything we can learn from Continually when it comes to optimizing our chatbot. So let's make our chatbot script better by looking at our competitor Continually. Stick around. By the way, check out Crazy Money if you haven't seen our new YouTube channel. It is the greatest sequence of videos we've ever made. It's literally like video after video of me spending massive amounts of money to try to hedge against the future. I'm doing options trading. I'm doing stocks and bonds. Div, my assistant, now our marketing lead out in India, is investing in Dogecoin. You know, like everyone's going crazy here. So let's start by going through the Continually bot. So hi, I'm Paul McKeever. I'm here to help. And you can see they have a nice avatar here. We don't have anything like that. How can I help you today? How can Continually help my business? How much does it cost? Show me cool features. You see what I like here versus this one? So let's start from the beginning here. Robert is our avatar here. So let's find a good picture of Robert. Indresh, this is the picture of Robert that everyone likes using. This is when Robert tried to grow his hair out like the American Psycho guy. Or what I forget exactly what he said, why he wanted his hair like this. He looks like such a businessman here. I like this Robert Indresh too. He looks like such an adult. All right. I'm gonna use this other one though. I'll use this one. Let's see if this uploads. So there we go, Robert Indresh. We're here on the Botfuse backend. So we're gonna manage bots, edit bot. It is customize bot, that's the one. Now, you can see here the header logo should actually be a picture of Robert. I'm gonna get pretty close to Continually here, just for this right now, I know. So header logo text should be hi, I'm Robert Indresh, I'm here to help. I'm not gonna rip this off exactly, but I wanna get pretty close, and I'll change the things I don't agree with. But the reason why I wanna get pretty close is there's a thing called, maybe it's called modeling. I don't exactly know what it's called, but it's if you wanna get good as quickly as possible, it helps if you use your competitors as a base, because your competitors have been doing it for a really long time. I have not sold software like this. So if we just get pretty close to Continually, we'll be able to optimize from there. But let's get up to even here with them. So I'm Robert Indresh, I'm here to help. And I don't recommend exactly copying the copy, but I will copy everything that is remove branding, no, because it is actually made with Botfuse. We don't support emojis, which is great. So I'll actually make this, what did you say, welcome to Botfuse? I'll say, hi, I'm Robert's bot. How can I help you today? Message 1, hey, I'm Robert's bot. Then, move this over here. Hey, I'm Robert's bot. No buttons. That's what I don't want any buttons here. Delete. How can I help you today? Do we need a welcome message? Is that what we're dealing with here? Okay. Hi, I'm Robert's bot. How can I help you today? And then, let's look at what we do here. How can Continually help my business? How can Botfuse help my business grow? Tell me more about pricing. What does it do? How hard is Botfuse to set up? Let's say something else. Good. Now we should be able to see this update live on the site. And I'll answer this on my own in 1 second. Let me just see what they say real quick. How can Botfuse help my business? So let's go back to this. I'll say Botfuse helps you generate more sales leads. How? We let you create a simple automated bot like this one. This will allow you to gather information on customers and pre-sell them thus making you more money. And then we go back to this exact same thing. So we would say then, oh, is there anything else I can help you with? So this will be ask a question, buttons. Is there anything else I can help you with? And then it'll be the exact same buttons as this one. How can Botfuse help my business? Tell me more about pricing. What does it do? How hard is Botfuse to set up? Something else. So then we'll just always come back to this same one every time. So now, let's delete everything else that's here. So now, how can Botfuse help my business? Tell me more about pricing. So we'll do that. Sure. Our pricing is straightforward and easy to understand. We have a free 7-day trial, and then the basic plan is $45 per month. And then something like this. Would you like to sign up for the free trial? Yes. No. No is going to go to, is there anything else I can help you with? Yes is going to go to a new message. Great, sign up here, and then it's going to link to the sign up form, which is the get started page. And then I'll say, look forward to seeing you inside. And then back to this other first message. Do you see how we used the continually one as a base, and then we're using that as a base to riff our own script off of? So this isn't like ripping off your competitors or anything. It really is just using them as a model, if you will, to get started. Let me test this bot so far. Should be able to see it. Hey, I'm Robert's bot. How can I help you today? How can Botfuse help grow my business? Tell me more about pricing. Oh, thanks for connecting with us. Oops, okay. How can Botfuse help my business? Has to go back here. We need to optimize this stuff. Yep. How can Botfuse optimize my business? Good. Tell me about pricing. Good. Great, that works. So now what does it do is the next one. What does it do? Very interesting question. I don't think we need what does it do. So I'm gonna remove that actually from all of these, because that's actually covered by how can Botfuse help my business. How hard is Botfuse to set up? It's very simple. All you do is copy one block of code into your site's header. And then we'll go back to the same message. Is there anything else I can help you with? How hard is Botfuse to set up? Put this right here. Okay, then the something else will be asking for their info. Something else, great. I see you want to know something that isn't covered by this bot. I'd be glad to send it to our team. But first, what is your name? This is ask a question, name, and then another question, and your best email. And what is your question about Botfuse? And this is just gonna be a message. Thanks, our team will be in touch shortly. And then all the way back to the beginning. Good. Now make sure all these are hooked up. How hard is Botfuse to set up? Tell me more about pricing. That's already hooked up. Tell me more about pricing. Good. Okay, finalize bot. And we should be good to go. Let's see. Hey, I'm Robert's bot. How can I help you today? How can Botfuse help my business grow? Tell me more about pricing. Would you like to sign up for a free trial? No? Is there anything else I can help you with? How hard is Botfuse to set up? It's very simple. All you do is copy one block of code into your site's header. Is there anything else I can help you with? Something else. I gotta remove that hello. That's it. Great. I see you want to know something that isn't covered by the bot. I'd be glad to send it to our team, but first, what is your name? Alex. And your best email? Alex.
Botfuse.com.
And what is your question?
What is Botfuse? Thanks.
Perfect. Okay. Now I just got to remove that word hello, and then we're good to go. And that's how to set up a bot for our site on Botfuse. This was fun. It's very easy to use. I know there's some stuff we still have to iron out when it comes to the UI, but you're watching us develop this software project live. You can see that there's value in this. If you have this bot walking through your service, you can see how people already, we've improved the conversions on this website. I can tell, because now we're really just walking them through what would normally be a website experience. Now they're going through step by step in a bot. The conversions should go up. From there, thanks for watching the video. If you want to sign up to Botfuse, you can do it down below. It would really help support the channel. And also, you get an amazing bot on your website. You can be one of the first few users, which means you get a lot of power to help dictate how to make Botfuse better for everyone else. It's great. And I would love to go on this journey of building a software project with you. So go ahead and sign up for Botfuse, and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like this video to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.